Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Eleni Jokos. The JSE rallied in today's session, up by 2.2% to close at 27,446 points, mainly driven by the resource sector. We spoke to Simon Brown from Standard Bank for his view on today's trade.
It really was. I mean, the day started positive. The futures pre-market from 8:30 said indicated we were going to have a good open, and it just went from there on. As you said, resources really leading the way, and in fact, the resource index closed at the high of the day with this closing today. Banks were doing well, came back a bit towards the end, but still really strong close there. Not as good as the resources, and volumes picked up. It started really slow. At some stage this morning, we were sitting at a very modest 2 billion. I didn't actually leave my desk before the final numbers came through, but including the closing auction, we were probably 8 or 9 billion, which is kind of average day, and I thought we might be a bit down, a bit of a hangover from all the soccer we're seeing.
The Nigerian market ended the day slightly higher, up by 0.1% to close at 25,444 points. We spoke to Jude Fojukwu from Tedious Investments, looking at the market performance so far this year.
In January, we felt that for the whole year, we're looking at about 20% for the whole market, our estimates. Right. And we did more than that in about 3 months and 2 weeks. So we're not going to be pulled back in the market, which is what we're seeing right now. Now, will it hold the same for the whole year? I don't think so. There'll be some momentum gains going forward. But in the meantime, all the positive sentiments have already been taken to the market already. So there's nothing new to drive sentiment, which drives our market. Is it that AMCON is already factored in? Is it the banking results? They're already factored in. So nothing new. And again, this is an election year, or almost an election year. People are taking money out for other purposes.
The NSE 20 continued its upward momentum and gained 0.61% to end the day on 4,298 points. We spoke to Robert Munuku, research analyst at Drummond Investment Bank, looking at the budget in particular.
The budget was really attractive. He looked at the key sectors, as you so mentioned, the first being agriculture, which he put a lot of goodies or incentives, if we may, $500 million going to maize dryers in the maize growing areas, another $500 million going for an additional 15 rice mills. We also have the tourism sector getting 1 billion shilling in its kitty. So looking forward, I would say the finance minister had his toes on track, and I think it's a matter of time before we see the stimulus package really come to fruition.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.